we are again back with SQL series, and this SQL query has been asked in Flipkart interview. So let's see the problem. It says you have been given two tables, employee table and department table, and you have to find the highest salary, yes, but department wise, and along with that you have to give the department ID, the name and that highest salary for which you were working on. So what is the task here? On the basis of department ID, basically you have to group by department ID. Okay, and once you have grouped by department ID, so on the basis of one department ID, 1, 2 and 3 rows found. So in those three rows you have to find the maximum salary. The maximum salary is 9,000, and again this salary has been duplicated. So in the answer you have to give both these names, Jim and Max, for department ID 1. For department ID 2, and in the answer you have to return the Henry name with 8,000 salary and department ID 2. So this is your task. Again, you have been given two table. Obviously you all know that you have to apply the join operation here. So how you will do that? So basically this is your query. Don't be afraid. Let's try to understand line by line. So first line, you all know that this line is basically to create your structure of the output, how it should look like. Means select department name. You want to select the department name as department. So this is nothing but the column name in the output which you want to give as. Instead of department, if you write it here A, means in output the column name will be A only for your result. It is not actually changing in the actual data. So you are selecting department name, employee name and salary. So these three things you are selecting. So this will come on the output part. The main logic starts from here. But wait, all these things from where you want to collect? Obviously employee table and department table with applying join operation. But join operation always applies on some columns, right? So on what column you want to apply? Employee dot department ID and department ID. Basically department ID for both the columns, where with the condition where employee.department ID and salary should exist, where you want to select the maximum salary from employee table which will be grouped by the department ID. So group by department ID, you will find the maximum salary from there, and then after iterating each employee ID and salary, you will find the output, and this is how your final table will look like.